You see, this channel, it's not just about haircutting. It's about starting a job and finishing strong and finishing right. You're gonna go through a lot of adversities in life. You're gonna have failed marriages, failed relationships, failed friendships. You might even find yourself in a position where your own family turns against you. But don't give up, because I once heard a guy on YouTube talk about high school sports and how he was trying out for a team sport in high school and how coaches ran them all the way till everybody was beat up tired. And then the coach would give them a break to take a water break, and half the team would run out the gym or walk off the field because the little bit of adversity and the little bit of pain that they were faced against. The coaches knew what to do. They were just weaning out all the losers that would run at the moment when adversity struck. I said that to say this, that no matter what you go through in life, it's never over until you reach your goal or until you walk off the field. You don't have to walk off the field. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We're gonna reach our goal. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, custom_made_cuts.